Hey everybody, this is Mr. Danzel, and I just wanted to introduce this Nearpod assignment that we're going to try. Sorry I can't be here to walk through this with you, but I think you can figure this out. So after you're going to start at Danzel's SharePoint. There's going to be a link here. You just click on that link, type in your name, make sure you use your actual name so I know that you actually did this. And all you're going to do, you're going to see up at the top the transaction. And what you're going to do is add text boxes to the journal. So you click on the text box down there. You can change the font size by using that slider. And you can create new text boxes for each item, or you can try to press enter and see if that works. That's kind of, I don't know if that's the best, but and then of course you can use spaces. So maybe we just do this. Okay, so we'll say that's our first one. Then you can add more text boxes. So if we want to make one for the debit amount, we could do that. So you can do that. Then you can duplicate text boxes. Click on this because you know you're going to have a $25,000 credit. So that can go there. And then, of course, add one more. Actually, two more. And we need one for the memorandum, the source document. And there you go. So you add in those text boxes, then you type in the information that you need. When you finish with that slide, you click on Submit, and then it will take you to the next transaction. And it actually will show you then on the next slide what the transaction should have looked like. So you can help each other with this. I don't want you to use the books. Just help each other, talk to each other, answer each other's questions, and do the best you can. And this needs to be done before I come back on Tuesday, because we will be starting the Chapter 6 problems on Tuesday. So this will be great practice for you for the Chapter 6 problems. Good luck. I'll talk to you later.